Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you guys my top 10 tips for starting a successful YouTube channel. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your YouTube channel to a whole nother level, these tips will help you along your journey. So let's dive right in. So guys, here I have basically a lot of things to really share with you guys, so I hope you guys stick with the video so you learn. Alright guys, so the first step is to find your niche. You need to find something you're like passionate about and knowledgeable in, so that you don't get bored creating this type of content. Your niche can be anything from gaming to fashion to cooking to beauty to vlog to faceless YouTube accounts. You can literally do anything on YouTube. I'm going to put up like a different channel niches here. First of all, you can see like these two channels are really different. Like for Mr. Beast really creates really fun and entertaining content, while this basically shows you how to's and just learning. It's just about learning and stuff like education. But Mr. Beast videos are mostly about like fun adventures and just traveling and doing all the fun stuff. So these two channels are really different, so you need to pick your niche and stick to it. The key is to find something that you enjoy creating content about. That way you feel engaged and motivated to make videos. Alright, so tip number 2, research your audience. Next, it's important to research your audience. Understand who your target audience are and what they want to watch. To do this, you can literally look at similar channels and find the gaps that you can fill, or a unique angle you can like explore or something. But you need to like watch videos that are related to like your type of content or the type of content you would be wanting to create. So to be a YouTuber, you literally need to watch YouTube. You can't just, I want to be a YouTuber and you know nothing about YouTube. You need to watch YouTube and watch other YouTubers to learn how YouTube works. Tip number 3, create high quality content. Okay, I know how this sounds. This does not mean that you need to go all out and own a camera right off the bat of just starting off on YouTube, or own a whole studio, a room studio. No, you don't need to do that. You're still an upcoming YouTuber, so you really don't need to go overboard. Because all you really need is an iPhone. Like right now, this is my phone, but I'm currently filming with an iPhone. So all you really need is your iPhone. If you have a good quality camera, that's really all you need. You don't need to go overboard buying Canon 3 whatever, Nikon and all these other cameras. You really just need your iPhone to start off on YouTube. Basically all you just need is a good quality iPhone and a good editing software. Because for me, I used Capcut. Sometimes I would go with InShot, but you can really choose from what you want. Some people use Filmora. There's a lot of editing apps out there, so choose the one that you're versatile in, that you know how to work it. Then choose that one and go with it. But if you feel like you can afford a camera, why not? Like, hey boo, like I don't got nothing against that. Like you feel like you can afford it and you want to start a YouTube channel, why not just go to the store, get you a good quality camera and start off your YouTube. As a beginner on YouTube, all you really need is like your phone, a tripod stand, a good lighting. I'm currently using my tripod. This is the remote. I'd really advise you get the ones that come with this little remote, so you can like start it off without saying, oh help me start the video, oh stop the video. Oh nah, just use the remote and turn it on and off, and that's it. Then you need a good quality lighting. So either you have a softbox for the people that really have money, or you get yourself a ring light. I have a ring light, or so just get that, and you're well on your way to starting a successful YouTube channel. And that's it, really. Tip number 4, be consistent. I don't think I can emphasize consistency at all. You guys, I know I'm the worst. You talk about me not being consistent. I'm sitting here with my ass talking about be consistent. Nah, bro, like I'm not even consistent, but I can tell you that consistency is the key on YouTube. I'm telling you for a fact. Like, remember when I was doing my videos back to back, I was in the line of videos, like I was consistent and my views were topping, like my views were like going, higher than a normally does. So I think consistency is really the key to YouTube. All you need to do is set a regular schedule and stick to it. A good YouTube posts or content schedule should look something like this. I'll put it on the screen so you guys will see what I'm talking about. You need to plan your content, plan a day for filming, and then a day for editing, and then you have a day for posting. After this one video, the next video should be better than the last video, and so on. So yeah, that's consistency. You're learning and you're showing your viewers that you're learning, and they'll keep coming back for more because, like, oh my god, her contents are good, she's always improving, oh my god, her editing skills, jeez, like people will come back for more. Like, that's why, like, some YouTubers will have, oh, I post every Thursday, or I post 2 times a week. So when you post 2 times a week, they're going to expect 2 times a week upload. Don't just say, I'm going to post 2 times a week and then you end up posting once a month. Baby, like, be consistent, okay? Because if you're not, people are going to unsubscribe and say, well, she's not serious, better just move on to the next person. Tip number 5, optimize your titles, hooks, and thumbnail. Girl, your YouTube titles and thumbnails are literally the first thing people see, so make sure they are attention grabbing and descriptive. Use keywords to help your video rank in the search results. Okay, so for example, I'm making this video and I'm trying to teach you guys how YouTube works and all that. So if I'm going to post it, my title is going to literally be how to start a YouTube channel, or top 10 tips to starting a YouTube channel, so that when people who want to learn about YouTube search of these search words, your video is going to rank the search results. So that's going to get you more audience and more views, okay, and more subscribers, basically. So yeah, you need to use keywords to rank the search results on YouTube. Guys, for your hooks, I cannot emphasize no more. 7 seconds. If you guys don't know what hook is the first few seconds of a video. The first few seconds, it needs to be attention grabbing. Like, it needs to keep the audience there for the long run. Like, it needs to make them stay there to watch that video through, like, to watch the whole video entirely is what I'm talking about. Like, you need something. That's why you need like 7 seconds. Stop making those long videos, intro videos. Basically, my YouTube intro is an example of what an intro should look like. If you guys didn't get it, I probably playback. All right, so you guys just saw that it's very short and simple, and that's how an intro should be, and not complicated. Because when you start doing these intros like this, because why are you showing them unnecessary things? Nobody wants to see your pictures hopping over and over. I was doing that before, but it's not a trend anymore. You need to hook your audience to keep them watching the video to the end. Do you get me? Also, I think I can use like vlogging as an example. Like, when you're starting off a vlog, the first few seconds of your vlog should be your intro. If you have an intro, some people don't really have intros no more, but if you do have a short intro, then the first seconds of your vlog should be like clips of the most interesting parts of that vlog. You can just combine them together just to grab the audience, like, oh my god, what are they doing? Like, this content is really interesting, I'm going to watch this. It's going to make them keep watching until they see all those clips from the first few seconds of your video. They're gonna be like, okay, this happened in this video, wow, that happened in that video, okay, I'm going to watch. I want to see how they got there, and what, so such and such and all that. So that's going to make them watch the video to the end, if you get what I'm saying. Like, yo, I hope you guys are with me, because it's a lot. Like thumbnail is literally the first thing people see before even your title. Like the thumbnail is what grabs the audience and like, what's that about? I want to see, what the video is about. So your thumbnail, like avoid adding too many text to your thumbnail. Make sure your thumbnail is very, very simple, but very, very graphic and like attention grabbing. Like I'll put, Mr. Beast thumbnails around. Like you see how interesting those, like it just pop in your eyes. Like, oh my god, what's this? You click it. So Mr. Beast has the best thumbnail on YouTube, hands down. Like nobody played. I'm telling you guys, you heard it from me first. If your thumbnail is done, nobody wants to click that. Like you just have a video and then the thumbnail is just there. You just have the video right there and it's just, girl, top of your game. Like learn how to edit. If you don't know how to edit, like you can literally just learn how to edit on YouTube, or you can comment down below if you want to learn how to edit. I'll film a video and teach you guys how to edit. But what am I here for? Tip number 6, engage your audience. Listen, you might think it's work, you might think it's a lot, but it's really not. Like imagine these people are the ones making your videos pop. Like the more engagement you get in your comment section is the more your video is going to be like pushed out there to get more people to really see your video. So why are you not going to engage with your audience? Like stop playing. Like ask questions in those comments. Like if someone comments, you need to reply or ask them a question so that you get, or you can even get like a conversation going in the comment section if need be. Like you can start up a conversation and have it dragging. Or even haters, like when haters be like, okay, maybe I'm done making this video and I do post this and someone is in my comment saying, I already know all these things, the oversabi people, I'm going to comment, I will reply you, but I'm going to be like, oh really, so you did? And you're going to have to reply me back, so you need to keep them going in those comments. So engage with those people. If someone says I love your video, say, oh my god, thank you so much, what would you like to see next? Like, just engage with your audience. All right guys, so tip number 7, collaborate with other YouTubers. So this is really not being emphasized enough, but like currently I literally just have a collaboration I'm working on currently. I've not done it yet, but we're talking about it. So yes, of course you need to collaborate with other YouTubers to gain audience from them. Partnering up with other creators will help boost your channel to a larger audience. This is a YouTuber, this is a YouTuber, this is a video from his channel, and this is a video from this channel. So that means these two videos are different, but it's two people in these two videos, still the same people in these two videos. So content creator A literally collaborated with content creator B. So what that means is, okay, I'm going to have a video with you on my channel and you're going to have a video with me on your channel. I hope you guys are keeping up. This is a lot. I know. Bear with me, but like this is what it literally means. So you need to collaborate to gain more, more audience. Grab this person's audience, bring them to your side. That person is also going to grab your audience to their side, and everyone will just keep growing and growing and growing. So guys, tip number 8, promote your channel. You can really shout on top of your lungs at a bridge, subscribe to my channel, I see you more, subscribe, just from any way possible for you to get your channel out there, do it. Like if you're going to go to a school and, oh, I have a YouTube channel, like subscribe to me. Oh hey, you're on YouTube, I see, I have a channel, actually subscribe to my channel. Or for example, at school there's a group chat, you can post your contents there to get people to come to your channel and post really interesting things so that you can grab people from group chats. I do post on group chats when I do make a video. That way I get more people who might not even know they needed the video, but when they see the video they would click to know about the video. If the mountain is not going to go to Mohammed, Mohammed will come to the mountain. Make your grandma promote your channel. Tell your grandma about it, your grandfather, your auntie, your uncle, your cousins. Tell everybody to subscribe to your channel and share, and make them friend of their friend share your channel. Yeah, it's a lot, like, but you need to promote your channel to be seen. Okay, tip number 9: learn from analytics. Like, you need to pay attention to YouTube analytics to see which videos are performing well and why. That way you use this data to refine your content, and then you end up strategizing and improving your next video. So basically, YouTube analytics will really show the demographics. Like on Instagram, if you go to edit, you can see your demographics and analytics and all that. So it basically tells you who is watching your videos, where are they watching your videos from. You can know, okay, they're watching from Ghana, they're watching from Canada, they're watching from Nigeria, Lagos. YouTube is not easy. If you're thinking, okay, I'm just going to bring my camera, film, edit and post it and I'll get views, literally no. YouTube is the hardest thing you do in your life, but with hard work and your dedication, I promise you, if you know what you're doing and you're like into it really well, you have this interest, passion about YouTube, it's going to go well for you. I promise you. Use those analytics to your own advantage. Use them to learn like what videos people like seeing on your channel. Like, you can literally see, okay, this video is doing well, it's doing better than the last video that I made, so people like this kind of content, so I'm going to do this kind of content. If you're an upcoming YouTuber, you want to have a YouTube, it's good to be in a group. Therefore, I opened a WhatsApp group for upcoming YouTubers. So if you're an upcoming YouTuber and you want to join the group, the link will be in the description box. Go check it out and join the WhatsApp group through the link. All right, there you have it, my top 10 tips for starting a successful YouTube channel. Remember, building a channel takes time and for effort, so be patient and persistent. Also, don't get discouraged if you don't see results in the few months of you starting YouTube. Never get discouraged. Okay, just keep learning and improving yourself. That way your future content will be better, and people, the more you see, you think they're not seeing, but they're actually seeing, but you don't think they're seeing. So don't be discouraged. Just keep making videos and pushing it out there, and people will see these videos and keep coming back. If you guys have any question about the tips or anything you don't understand, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to reply to your comments and tell you more in details. Alright guys, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It only takes 2 seconds to click that subscribe button. It's free to subscribe to people's channels, so support the people that you can by subscribing to the channel. I'll wait. Have you subscribed? Alright, you guys just made me happy right now. You just made my whole day if you subscribed, because you guys know, you subscribe, you get more content. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. No bars.